So hello everyone, welcome back to another very important video session from your own channel Let's Crack NEET UG English. My name is Vipin Kumar Sharma and I am your biology mentor. Here in this particular video we are going to talk about a very important announcement from Unacademy that is related to the subscription prices of Unacademy Plus course. So let's proceed in this video and let's discuss about the important announcement. So these are some critical credentials of mine. You can have a look if you want, otherwise let's proceed. You can also get connected to us via Unacademy's learning app. This app is freely available on Google Play Store. You just need to install this app. You just need to go to the NEET UG section after that, and you need to click on get subscription icon. When you are going to click on this button, you will be getting all our subscription packages on your screen. I'll personally recommend you guys to take a subscription pack of 1 year or 2 year because these packages are more feasible and these packages are more affordable for students. Because if you are going to have a look at the 1 month subscription prices, then the monthly cost that you need to pay is around 5,400 rupees. But when you talk about the monthly cost of a 24 months pack, it's only 1,300 rupees. So overall you got the price which is around 4 to 5 times lesser as compared to the monthly price of a single month's pack. It means that for 1 month you need to pay 5,400 rupees over here, but for the same month you need to pay only 1,300 rupees in this pack. So you already got a lot of good available discounts. But even after that you can get 10% more discount by utilizing this beautiful code WIPIN. This code you have to apply before paying your fees, so that this referral code will help you out to get 10% discount. You will be directly enrolled in my batch for NEET 2021 and NEET 2022. And you will be getting an opportunity to watch the lectures of all 40 plus top educators of India on Unacademy's Plus platform. So please make sure to use this code WIPIN, capital VIPIN, which is my name. So these subscriptions are really important for the students who are preparing for a variety of competitive entrance examinations. But since here we are going to talk about NEET only, so we are targeting the students who are currently in 11th class, who are currently in 12th class, or the students who just passed 12th class and they are currently taking a drop for the NEET preparation. So what those students need to do is, those students need to take the subscription to compile up their syllabus on time so that they can qualify the entrance examination in the first attempt possible. So the students of 11th class need to take a 2-year subscription pack, and the students who are in 12th class or in drop, they need to take a 1-year subscription pack so that they can complete their syllabus before the NEET 2021 or the NEET 22 entrance examination. My personal batch is also going to be launched on 20th of September. That is the next Sunday, just after the NEET 2020 entrance examination. So I am going to target the biology syllabi of NEET 2021 and NEET 2022 batch. So it becomes very important for you to note that the subscription prices are going to hike from the next to next week. It means that this video is made for the price hike alert on Unacademy's Plus subscription. If you are going to take a 2-year subscription pack and you will apply my code WIPIN, currently you are going to take that subscription in 32.4k, that is 32,400 rupees only. But after 1 week you will be getting some sort of extra amount added over here which you need to pay to get the same subscription. It means that if you are going to take a 2-year subscription, after 1 week you need to pay at least 3,000, 4,000 or 5,000 more rupees for the same subscription. So it is my personal recommendation to take this subscription in this week only. Okay, in this week only, before 20th, so that you can also enroll in my batch which is starting from 20th of September, and you do not have to pay this extra money and you will be getting the Unacademy's Plus subscription in the same amount. For the students who want to take the 1-year subscription pack, if you will be applying code WIPIN, in current scenario you just have to pay 27,000 rupees for 1 year and you will be getting your syllabus completed by top educators of India on time, so that you will be getting ample time for your revision and practice also. So it becomes your responsibility to take this course as soon as possible by applying code WIPIN, because after 1 week you will be getting around 3 to 4,000 or 4 to 5,000 hike on the Unacademy subscription prices. So you will not be able to complete your syllabus on time if you will be getting it late. So take it as early as possible, because it is also helping you to save this amount of money. And 4,000, 5,000 rupees are very big when it comes to the amount that you need to pay, 4,000, 5,000 rupees, if you are going to save this money, it can surely help you out to pay for some of your books, to pay for your internet connection, or to pay for the notebooks or whatever things you are going to utilize in your preparation. You can pay for the additional complementary material, or whatever books you want to order online, you can just use this money in that direction. So this is my personal recommendation as an elder brother of yours, to save this money, because if you are going to take the subscription after 1 week, you need to pay this much extra money in these 1 year and 2 year subscription packages. So just go through my personal recommendation, because these subscriptions are very good for you guys. For the students who are preparing on a regular basis, you will be getting daily live classes on our platform. It means that there will be educators of physics, there will be best educators of chemistry, and there will be a lot of educators of biology who are going to teach you guys. There are 40 plus educators, and you can choose your educators on your own. What happens when you go to an offline coaching institute? There are only 4 teachers. One is for physics, one is for chemistry, one is for botany, one is for zoology, and you need to understand all the concepts from them only. If you do not get any concepts clarified, then that's your mistake, that you have taken admission into that particular offline coaching or so. But in case of Unacademy, you can choose the educators on your own basis. Let's say if I'm teaching reproduction and some other teacher is also teaching reproduction, then you can basically go to the teacher who is more compatible with you. Obviously there are top educators on Unacademy, but the compatibility really matters. Okay, so for one student, one educator could be more better, and for second student, second educator could be much better. So the Unacademy gives you a flexibility to choose your educators, on your own. Second, there will be live polls, live tests, and live quizzes on daily basis. So you will be getting a rank daily. Let's say that you have started with a rank of 120. After 1 week, you reached an rank of 100. After that, you just got a rank of 50. After that, you got a rank of 11. So at the end of the day, you will be finding that how much you have improved in a current week, in a current day, in a current month. So all the data is going to be with you, so that you can basically understand your performance, and you can just analyze that, so that you can make a perfect shot in the NEET entrance examination, in the final attempt of your entrance examination. The courses are going to be really structured. What does this particular thing mean? The courses are not going to be random. It means that if there is an educator who is going to teach you the full syllabi, he will be surely completing your syllabus, plus he will be guiding you throughout. There will be doubt sessions. After every 3 lectures, we do have dedicated doubt session, where we used to discuss doubts related to those sessions, so that the students will not be getting any complexities in learning the concepts. And ultimately, there is unlimited access to the lectures. That means if you want to watch my videos 10 times or 20 times or 30 times, I'm just giving an example, you do not require to watch my videos that many times. But if you want to watch my videos for that many times as well, you are not prohibited to do that. There is no upper limit on watching the Unacademy Plus subscription videos. You can watch as many as live classes, you can attend as many as live sessions, you can watch as many as recorded videos, as many times as possible. That totally depends on you. There is no upper limit from Unacademy, which is the best part. It means that if you have seen the video of an educator, and if you want to revise your syllabus from the same educator itself, then you can go and you can revise the topics that you have seen earlier in the live classes, right? So this becomes very important for the students to understand the importance of these courses. So if you found this video beneficial, then please take the Unacademy Plus subscription, because my personal batch is also starting from 20th of September. It's really gonna help you out to qualify the NEET entrance examination, and we are targeting at least 330 marks. Okay, and the maximum marks, whatever you want to get, you will be getting the content according to that. So some students I'm targeting that at least they would get 350 to 355 or 360 marks if they are performing well, and if they are going to listen each and everything which is told to them. We are also going to start a batch on this channel from 15th of September. So please make sure that you like this session, and please make sure to subscribe this current channel, Let's Crack NEET UG English, so that we can be together and we can share a lot of great things in the coming time, right? So you can also search my name up on the Unacademy's learning app. My educator ID is Vipin007, or you can directly search out my name, that is Vipin Kumar Sharma. You will be getting a lot of recorded sessions of mine in the form of special classes, and each and every day I used to take special classes in morning time. So if you want to come, you can learn from me free of cost in my special classes. So that's a great opportunity for you guys to attend the special classes for free and to know the educator more, to know what the Plus platform is all about, and you will be getting a lot of things into your mind. So basically, this video is just about the price hike. I want to save your time and money as well. So if you are going to take the subscription this week only, then you will be getting a discount of 3,000, 4,000 or 5,000 accordingly. Plus, if you are going to apply the referral code VIPIN, that is capital VIPIN, that's my name, then you will be getting additional 10% discount on your subscription. You will be directly enrolled in my batch, and other than that, you will be getting the access to watch all the videos of all the educators on Unacademy's Plus platform. So thank you so much guys, lots of love. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.